Welcome to TechTopiaX, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. Keeping a swimming pool clean can easily become one of the most time-consuming parts of pool ownership. That's why robotic pool cleaners have become incredibly popular. And today we're looking at the C1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner with app control, wall climbing, waterline cleaning, dual-layer filtration, and an impressive runtime of up to 180 minutes. So, is this robotic pool cleaner really worth considering? What do all of these specifications actually mean in everyday use? And why has this style of cordless cleaner become such a popular choice? Let's take a closer look. The first thing that stands out is the completely cordless design. Instead of dealing with long floating cables, the C1 operates using a rechargeable battery, giving it the freedom to move around the pool without getting tangled. One of its biggest highlights is the up to 180-minute battery life, allowing it to clean large residential pools in a single session. That extended runtime makes it suitable for pools up to approximately 1,615 square feet, depending on the cleaning mode selected. The C1 is designed for much more than simply cleaning the floor. It automatically climbs walls, scrubs the waterline, handles slopes, and even cleans pool steps when conditions allow. That means dirt, algae, leaves, and debris can be collected from nearly every major surface inside the pool. Another important feature is its intelligent navigation system. Instead of moving randomly, the cleaner follows optimized cleaning paths that help maximize coverage while reducing unnecessary overlap. Multiple path options work together with several cleaning modes to improve efficiency across different pool layouts. Speaking of cleaning modes, the C1 offers multiple options including floor, wall, waterline, full pool, turbo, eco, and wall then floor modes. This flexibility lets owners choose the most appropriate cleaning cycle depending on how much debris has accumulated. Filtration is another area where this cleaner focuses on performance. The dual-layer filtration system combines a 180-micron primary filter with a fine filter layer that captures both large debris like leaves and smaller particles such as dirt and sand. This helps keep pool water looking clearer after every cleaning cycle. The cleaner is also compatible with a wide variety of pool surfaces, including vinyl, fiberglass, concrete, and tile pools, making it versatile for many different pool installations. Using the companion mobile app, owners can customize cleaning modes, adjust cleaning paths, schedule automatic cleanings, and monitor the robot's operation without needing to remove it from storage every time. App-based scheduling adds convenience by allowing regular maintenance throughout the week. Charging takes around 3 hours, allowing the cleaner to be ready again relatively quickly after completing a full cleaning session. The robot also features automatic self-parking, meaning once the battery becomes low or the cleaning cycle is complete, it moves toward the pool wall for easier retrieval using the included hook. Its transparent top cover also makes maintenance easier because users can quickly see how much debris has been collected before emptying the filter basket. Overall, the C1 combines cordless convenience, extended battery life, intelligent navigation, wall climbing capability, waterline cleaning, dual-layer filtration, and app control into one automated pool maintenance solution designed to reduce manual cleaning effort while providing comprehensive pool coverage. If you're looking for an automatic robotic cleaner capable of handling floors, walls, slopes, and waterlines with smart scheduling and long runtime, the C1 certainly delivers an impressive collection of modern cleaning technologies. Thanks for watching TechTopiaX. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.